Hey there, agrotech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Smart Tech, where we showcase the game-changing technology that's transforming the agricultural landscape. These reels are not just hoses, but orchestra players in a floral waterfall. Furbo delivers moisture to the bulbs precisely, losing neither a drop nor an inch. Smart control systems, adjustable pressure and spray length. The whole irrigation process becomes a finely tuned drip waltz. This apple machine knows how to turn orchards into a conveyor belt. The X16 picks fruit like an intelligent vacuum, gently, quickly, and without unnecessary fuss. AMB Rousset created a machine for those who value every apple, whether for cider, pie, or export. Imagine a tank driving through a potato field. Only instead of tracks, it has caring tentacles, and each tuber is picked up as gently as a baby. The 4-row Quattro by DeWolf doesn't drive, it hovers over the beds, sifting the soil and perfectly extracting the harvest. Carrots no longer need to be pulled by hand. Just let the Verbruggen warm up and it'll pull, clean, and stack the root vegetables faster than you can say vitamin A. You don't take part in the harvest, you conduct it. Spinach is a delicate crop, but this machine handles it like you would handle porcelain. It gently cuts, gathers into trays, and delivers product ready for packaging. And all this while you control the process with a single joystick. You've probably seen a lot of farm equipment, but this one is like a razor among machetes. Compact, mobile, and at the back, a spinning disc with blades like a turbocharged circular saw. The machine from Krishna Netrang slices banana trunks in a flash, grinding them into chips on the spot. In Germany, sunflowers are harvested like a superhero movie. The 16-row Olimac Drago Gold, paired with Class Lexion, races across the field, slicing heads, separating grain, and discarding waste in seconds. Up to 18 tons per hour. You won't even have time to blink. Now forget herbicides. American farmers literally burn weeds. A system with pinpoint flame delivery heats up to 2 million BTUs and destroys the cell structures of unwanted vegetation in seconds without touching the crops. One tool is good, but two is better. Afron's equipment rolls out with 2 extendable booms and tidies up both sides at once. In a single pass, it straightens the hedge with inch-level accuracy. Want symmetry? You've got it. No extra turns or hassle. Who said a tractor can't be a beast? This Fiat Agri became an 8-wheeled monster with hydraulics to lay irrigation pipes between plants without breaking a single sprout. Looks like someone crossed a transformer with an agricultural engineer. South Korea will surprise you. not just with tech in the city, but also in the swamp. A planter that walks over soggy soil like it's asphalt. No slipping, everything precisely in line, like on graph paper. Planting in a swamp? No problem. Love tea? Then see how it's harvested. This Japanese machine with a Kubota diesel engine on board seems made for morning dew. It gently and precisely collects the first, juiciest batch of tea leaves. 3 cylinders, water cooling, and productivity farmers once only dreamed of. When you need to transplant a tree, not as a seedling, but already fully grown, Damcon Tech steps in. A huge rounded shovel embraces the tree with its roots, digs it up undamaged, and relocates it, like a gentle giant replanting a living thing. Want to know how peat is harvested on an industrial scale? Look at Mary Peat, a peat cutter that turns a swamp into a warehouse of ready material. Everything is precise. The blade cuts the soil, slices, forms. One pass, and you've got piles of organic fuel ready for drying and packing. In Corsica, they like solving big problems, so they use the Masano RSC. This infusier buries everything needed: organics, residues, fertilizers. With power reliability, it's simply ideal for tough conditions and rocky soil. Smart, precise, robotic. The Iseki-sane plants rice in 8 rows with such meticulousness, it might have been programmed by samurai. Electronics control the process, rows are ruler straight, and the result is a stable harvest with minimal effort. Garlic is a finicky fellow. Try pulling it out gently. But the Japanese are ahead again. A compact harvester with precise mechanics handles the job with ease. One pass, the bed's empty, the crate's full, and your back is fine. Not a machine, a lifesaver for farmers who work with brains, not just hands. SolarGem is a pre-assembled solar installation that forms a solar panel by deploying a special metal structure that holds the photovoltaic modules. The SolarGem concept consists of pre-assembled solar plants that are integrated into standardized containers. They're easy to transport and minimize on-site installation work. SolarGem provides protection against climatic events. The structure supporting the PV modules simply needs to be folded back into the containers and a cyclone can pass through. As soon as milder weather conditions return, the structure will be redeployed to bring the power plant back into operation. This minimizes maintenance expenses and keeps the plant operational. Self-propelled harvesters convince with their optimal combination of high productivity, driver comfort, and maneuverability. The reliability achieved in harvesting, even under the most difficult conditions, is decisive in many regions. The Grimm Veritron 270 Platinum 2-row self-propelled harvester can be equipped with various different separating devices. The Veritron 270 Platinum achieves a high degree of maneuverability thanks to its wheeled undercarriage, which is equipped as standard with wheels with gigantic soil-saving tires. Due to the rotating bottom conveyor, The 7-ton non-stop bunker continuously utilizes the effective hopper volume. In addition, a wide variety of automatic digging processes with adjustment from the comfort cab provide the driver with a high degree of comfort. The new Demonio series mulcher with a working width of 7.5 feet and a tillage depth of 1.3 feet was recently introduced to the public. This high-tech machine from Valentini Group has been built with high quality, high strength, low alloy steel materials to ensure excellent performance and longer life. The Demonio 2300 mulcher can easily turn overgrown areas into fields for planting, and in no time at that. This machine is actually very confident at 1.3 feet deep, leaving behind not a single tree or stub. Take a look at what this mulcher can do. Flegel agro trucks are ideal for both on- and off-road use due to their improved field suitability. These massive trailers for large machines transport bulky and heavy loads and unload them in seconds. Whether it's wood chips, pellets, or grain, the ejector technology ensures even and complete emptying. You'll be pleased with the result. Case IH Axial Flow 250 series combines are equipped with the latest AFS Harvest Command automated harvesting technology, which adapts combine settings to changing harvesting conditions without operator intervention. This system is available as an option for combines with larger grain hopper volumes and higher unloading speeds. This advanced autonomous system receives data from all major combine units and optimizes their settings according to one of 4 algorithms to ensure maximum performance in all harvesting conditions. Thanks to a common chassis and interchangeable systems, the Fendt Rogator 900 series applicator can easily handle a wide variety of terrain and crops. The RG934H and RG937H also allow for high ground clearance work at the end of the season with a lift package. Every inch of the 900 series sprayer cab has been specifically designed to increase productivity and spraying comfort. A larger cab with 10% more glazing for unobstructed views and exceptional visibility is a big plus on the job. A state-of-the-art filtration system with charcoal filter and in-cab fan keeps the cabin clean at all times. Imagine the Tira loading bales with grace and power. This bale loader is equipped with a 150 horsepower engine and is capable of lifting bales weighing up to 2 tons. Its hydraulic system provides precise control, and automatic leveling makes operation incredibly easy and efficient. The Tira is capable of operating at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, allowing you to load bales quickly and accurately, saving you both time and effort. Just look at the Kioritz, a cool machine on wheels that makes spraying in the vineyards a real pleasure. This cool and stylish driver-operated machine maneuvers between the rows of grapes like a superhero among agricultural machinery, ensuring an even and efficient coverage. With its quiet, powerful engine and precise spraying system, every bush gets its fair share of care. With the Yakiva drainage plow and Case Quadtrack Aardvark cart, heavy clay soil is no longer a problem. The Yakiva penetrates deep into the soil like a sharp sword, creating channels for perfect drainage. And the mighty Case Quadtrack Aardvark, with its robust design and high power, follows the plow smoothly, ensuring stable and efficient operation. This dynamic duo transforms even the most difficult areas into perfect fields for seeding. When it comes to separating liquid manure, the Taper 375 from Flegel Agro Center is simply indispensable. This powerful separator, equipped with advanced technology, makes manure handling a breeze. With its high capacity and precision, the Taper 375 effectively separates solids and liquids, allowing you to utilize them as efficiently as possible. Now, your manure cycle will become much more manageable and productive. Imagine, less hassle, more benefits for your farm. Just look at how easy it is to move the animal feed closer to the pens with this unique machine. Convenient indeed, and the animals are always fed and satisfied. What could be better for your plants and vegetable garden than this creative watering system? With this system, your plants will always be in perfect shape, getting the right amount of water. Forget about drought and underwatering. Now your beds will be full of moisture and your crops will be healthy and plentiful. Watch the Scorpion S1100 uproot stumps with ease. This beast of a stump gripper works like a true professional, pulling out even the most stubborn roots. Powerful hydraulics and rugged construction make it an indispensable helper in the garden and on the construction sites as well. With the Scorpion S1100, you'll forget about hard manual labor and can quickly prepare the site for new projects. Just watch it work and enjoy a clean, ready-to-plant or build site. Go behind the scenes with the Fife's Anexco Pineapple Farm in Costa Rica and see a true symphony of technology in action. Watering, fertilizing, soil preparation, and harvesting are all done by specialized machines, each one as a conductor of its own process. Want to know how perfect pineapples are created? Fife's Anexco will show you all the secrets. Just look at Carbon Robotics' autonomous weeder. The future is here. This autonomous weeder robot uses lasers to mercilessly kill weeds, leaving your plants safe. Imagine it working silently and efficiently in your field, eliminating the need to use chemicals or spend hours weeding. All you have to do is watch it maneuver between the rows, clearing the ground with the precision of a surgeon. It digs, collects, sorts, and bags potatoes before you can even say spud. The share cuts the ridge. A drum shakes off the dirt. The conveyor sends the tubers to the bagging unit. No middle steps. It's a grab-and-go system. Bags are ready right there in the field. It looks like a harvester from the future, but cuts rye like a high-end stylist. With a 24-foot cutting width, the speed of a tractor on adrenaline, and slicing precision like a surgeon's scalpel, this self-propelled platform glides smoothly without vibration, preserving the stalk structure. No losses, no dust. Straw Hexatech takes round or square bales, shreds them, and evenly spreads straw bedding in stalls. Dust is minimal, noise is nearly non-existent, and the speed exceeds farmer expectations. The perfect helper for daily chores, minus the mess. The Kubota Compact Tractor plus Mini Round Baler, a combo made for small-scale farmers and cozy field corners. The mini baler gathers cut material and wraps it into tidy round mini bales, while the compact Kubota tractor tows it all with grace. A land drainage unit with a front-mounted rotating pipe dries out marshy areas by pumping water with centimeter-level precision. A tractor pulls the system, while pumps build pressure and guides direct the water into canals or directly into crops. This isn't just drainage, it's a fully controlled water cycle in the farmer's hands. When machines work in perfect sync, the field clears out faster than you can say leak. A John Deere pulls a single row of Verhost, which precisely cuts, stems, sorts them, and sends them off. Massey Ferguson wraps up the cycle, hauling away crates full of onions. Belt-driven magic in action. You harvest the broccoli. The machine packs it for you. Vector features a 46-foot-long harvesting belt with a clever conveyor at the end that rotates, moves, and fills 4 boxes simultaneously. The first 13 feet fold down for transport. When weed control demands flexibility, this burner adapts to the field. You can change the working width from 10 to 12 feet in minutes, no tools needed. The machine uses thermal treatment. A gas flame evenly covers the soil, destroying weeds even at depth. Kubota works on waterlogged fields using flotation tracks with wide support, gliding over silt without sinking. It transplants 8 rows of seedlings per pass, controlling depth, angle, and density. Semi-automatic operation, GPS guidance, and auto-line keep rows perfectly straight, even on difficult terrain. This mounted equipment levels the soil to template specifications, forming raised beds with precise geometry and a central slot for drip irrigation. An adjustable blade and side deflectors shape the bed, while the unit's weight compacts the soil for optimal layout. When you need to harvest peat, not just quickly, but cleanly and accurately, EcoField 45 takes the stage. With a working width of up to 14 feet, it mechanically shaves the surface of dried peatland, forming it into clean windrows. A front-mounted V-rake arranges the mass into perfect rows for drying. Vogel transforms cucumber harvesting into a true automated magic. No tedious bending, no risk of damaging the crop. Its conveyor deftly collects vegetables and sends them straight into containers. Thanks to the Reichhardt system with inch-perfect steering control, this mower moves across the field as if on a string, perfectly aligning rows of hay and grass. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth operation at any speed. The Vermeer 504 picks up grass clippings or straw and turns them into dense bales in just a few passes. The machine picks up the material from the ground and feeds it into the baling chamber, where a system of augers and rollers compresses the material to the desired density. When the bale is formed, an automatic strapping system secures it with netting or twine, and then the rear lid opens to unload the finished bale carefully. Vermeer's BW600 is a packer that turns individual bales into sealed lines for long-term storage. First, the bale is fed onto a platform where the machine wraps it tightly with a special film. Then it moves smoothly along the conveyor, thus creating a continuous sausage of bales, protected from moisture and mold. This method of packaging helps to reduce feed losses and simplify logistics. The Big Bale Stacker is the ideal tool for stacking large bales quickly and neatly. First, the stacker lifts the bales from the ground with the grippers and places them on its platform. Then it stacks them neatly, forming the most even and stable stacks for further transportation or storage. Krone is the king of corn harvesting. Its self-propelled silage harvesters gently pick up the stalks from the ground and feed them into the chopping chamber. There, powerful drums chop the crop to the required length, and the feeding system evenly distributes the mass into the transport. The machine manages perfectly the harvesting process, ensuring a clean cut and optimum loading. Krone Easy Cut allows 2 trailed mowers to be used simultaneously by attaching them to one machine. In combination, this provides a working width of up to 42 feet. At the same time, each mower functions independently without the need for modifications. The result is maximum efficiency when working large areas and reduced mowing time. Damcon rippers are a precision weapon in the fight against weeds. They penetrate the soil, gently loosening it and cutting weeds right at the roots without damaging beneficial plants. Thanks to the tractor's gantry design, several rows can be cultivated at once, which significantly increases work speed. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The Oxbow harvester is a powerful green bean harvester designed for quick and neat harvesting. Special grippers lift the plants, then brush rollers and a drum mechanism gently snip the pods, separating them from the stalks. The beans are then transferred to a conveyor belt and carefully loaded into containers, keeping them intact and fresh. The Oxbow 6420 is a machine sharpened for harvesting high-density olives. Flexible combs reach through the trees to gently shake off the fruit, while the shaking system is customized for different varieties to avoid damaging the branches. The olives go straight onto the conveyor belt and then gently into the hopper. The machine ensures quick picking, minimizing loss and damage, which is especially important in dense plantations. Flying autonomous robots from Tevel use a cool combination of computer vision and artificial intelligence to accurately pick fruit. Using built-in cameras, they scan trees, identifying ripe fruit and analyzing its size and color. The robots navigate along predetermined routes, picking the fruit with a special customized arm that gently removes the fruit and prevents it from being damaged. The AgBot with spraying system is an advanced solution for spot application of pesticides and fertilizers. Equipped with advanced sensors, this autonomous robot analyzes plant and soil conditions to determine where treatment is needed. Spraying is uniform and precise, greatly minimizing chemical overspray and reducing environmental impact. AgSeed is ideal for preparing sandy soils for carrots, using innovative technology to increase efficiency. The robot is equipped with a precision control system that analyzes soil characteristics and determines optimal cultivation parameters. Its tools, such as cultivators and rippers, penetrate to the specified depth, effectively mixing and improving soil structure. Flaming corn is a new solution for weed control in organic cornfields that utilizes propane burners. The process begins with an even distribution of propane, which is then ignited, creating a powerful flame stream. The burners operate at a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, providing fast and efficient burning of excess vegetation without the use of chemicals. And this machine is a high-tech solution for automated layering of potatoes. It uses an automatic distribution system that ensures the potatoes are filled evenly and neatly without manual intervention. The root crops pass through a mechanism that sorts and places them in predetermined layers. Built-in sensors monitor the stacking quality, ensuring minimal damage and loss. The Certa 40 from DeWolf is a highly efficient 4-row potato harvester capable of forming 35.4-inch wide ridges immediately in the field. The machine first prepares the peeled tubers before distributing them to the stackers, which precisely form the rows. The unique design ensures optimal placement and minimal crop damage in the process. The tiniest nut picker for almond trees uses vibrating technology that gently shakes the fruit off the branches, avoiding damage to the tree. The system is attached to the trunk or main branches and the shaking process then begins. The fallen nuts are collected in wide platforms and a special conveyor belt moves them to a special storage compartment. The Pick Right tomato harvester features a unique vibratory separation system that gently removes the fruit from the bushes, minimizing yield loss. The harvester grabs the plants, trims them, and then guides them through sorting screens and brush rollers that remove foliage and small impurities. The fruit passes through vibrating sieves that separate ripe tomatoes from unripe ones. The Guaresi pepper harvester gently grabs the plants and cuts them with powerful knives at the base, after which the peppers are transferred to a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt gently carries the fruit through a cleaning system where leaves and stems are removed, preserving the integrity of the crop. The Richard Western is an innovative system for safe gripping and transportation of top-clap bales. The system works on the principle of automatic bale locking, ensuring that bales are held securely during travel. Special clamping mechanisms effectively compress the top of the bales, preventing them from shifting and falling. And this one significantly optimizes haymaking processes by allowing you to use one tractor to drive two balers at the same time. The system shares power, which reduces the need for labor and equipment. During operation, the tractor drives both balers, doubling the amount of hay processed. The advanced design of the Hurricane Model 24 trailed cultivator features powerful tines and a depth control system, allowing you to fine-tune the depth of cultivation based on soil type. Special rotary tines penetrate the soil, breaking up dense layers and improving aeration. Kirovet's K7 tractor stands out among its analogs due to its powerful design and versatility. With a 250 horsepower unit, it confidently copes with the most complex tasks, from tillage to cargo transportation. The hydraulic system, compatible with a wide range of attachments, allows the tractor to be quickly adapted to specific needs. The Victor Z is a special self-propelled harvester designed for the professional harvesting of currants and black currants, and is an excellent solution for plantations from 30 to 40 to several hundred hectares. This harvester utilizes harvesting systems based on two V-shaped shakers. The system works in conjunction with the optimal geometry of the bush transition through the shaking unit. The use of the oscillating linkage guarantees almost 100% harvesting efficiency without damage to the bushes. Thanks to this, it's possible to harvest up to 20 tons of very high-quality berries from just 1 hectare of planting. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. This versatile machine simultaneously collects stones and trims grass or plant remnants, leaving the field in perfect condition. With a working width of nearly 19 feet and a powerful mechanism, Spartan saves time by combining two tasks in one. With a 27-foot cutting width, this mower easily handles large fields. Its sharp blades deliver clean, precise cuts, preserving the nutritional value of grass for storage. A tractor with a mounted mulcher processes the field, shredding vegetation into a dense mulch layer. The sharp blades handle any plant matter, creating natural fertilizer for the soil while suppressing weeds. An autonomous tractor navigates fields using GPS and cameras, performing tasks from plowing to planting. Driverless operation and millimeter-level precision make it a jack of all trades. The Camstar Herbs Harvester carefully cuts parsley using precise blades and gentle handling for transportation, preserving freshness and minimizing damage during harvest. This transverse weeder, controlled by a PLC system, independently adjusts the wheels for each section. It maintains precise working depth, and automation ensures smooth transitions between standby and operation modes. The birdie picker attachment for tractors shreds tough branches into fine chips. Its powerful blades handle any wood, leaving the field clean and ready for replanting. A test demonstrates how the bag unloader extracts grain at a rate of up to 9 tons per hour. The mobile feeding system handles large volumes effortlessly, ensuring efficient field logistics. A worker places seedlings onto special cells, and the mechanism evenly plants them into pre-prepared furrows. Automatic soil covering and leveling ensure fast and high-quality planting. The jarring off header cuts stalks with surgical precision, instantly extracting seeds. The result? Fewer losses, more seeds, and a farmer's harvest delight. This engineering marvel creates perfect planting holes, precise, clean, and with minimal disruption. While it works tirelessly, you simply choose the seeds to plant. The K&K Enterprises digging system uses blades to form a smooth cone around the roots. A gentle clamp lifts the tree along with the soil, then moves and reburies it in a new location, keeping the root system intact. Workers collect watermelons and place them on the harvester's conveyor belt, where they're sorted by size and ripeness, and simultaneously prepared for transport. To all fans of agricultural machinery, we present the Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL. This titan of field work, with a working width of 9.8 feet, revolutionizes soil preparation. A true robot in the world of tractors, it eases any task, making field work not only productive, but also exciting. Operating this multi-disc is like piloting a spaceship, but without the need for astronaut training. Easy to use and powerful in operation, the Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL is a real find for any agronomist. Friends, who told you that harvesting tulip bulbs can't be high-tech and efficient? Here's one company that turns that perception of agriculture upside down with the help of a Flemish tulip harvester. Equipped with a double grid, this wonder machine not only harvests but also expertly sieves tulip bulbs right in the sandy soils of Drenthe. This is not just harvesting, but a whole cleaning procedure where each bulb receives VIP treatment. How about turning the routine spraying of tulips into a real art? With a Landquip field sprayer, your garden will come alive with new colors. This precision genius will not only protect your flowers from pests and diseases, but also amaze you with its ability to evenly cover every corner of the field. And don't worry about the complexity of management. Landquip is designed with farmers' convenience in mind, so you can enjoy healthy and beautiful tulips without extra hassle. Meet the Cross 1100 Muck Spreader, your new best friend in the world of fertilizer distribution. This fertilizer spreader is designed to withstand the toughest test of strength thanks to its durable steel body and reliable construction. Power, volume, and precision, that's what Cross 1100 can boast of. The unit's dosing system is designed to provide the most uniform distribution, improving soil fertility and reducing material losses. Just think, your work can become so productive and clean that even the most capricious plants will thank you. Forget old agricultural practices. Meet the revolutionary FarmWise Vulcan system. This AI wonder worker doesn't just fight weeds. It uses complex machine learning algorithms to precisely analyze each section of your field. The system, trained to select only weeds, keeps beneficial plants healthy and unharmed, minimizing the chemical impact on soil and crops. Vulcan is perfect for reducing costs by optimizing the use of herbicides and fertilizers. Thanks to Vulcan, every decision is now data-based, significantly improving yield. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an ISOBUS screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. Everything can be simple and straightforward. The Grimm Prius 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prius 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops. All thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. The ASA Lift TC1010 is a trailed single-row cabbage harvester that makes harvesting easy and efficient. This machine is equipped with an unloading elevator and special cleaning agents that automatically remove excess leaves from the cabbage. Thanks to this approach, harvesting becomes not only faster, but also more convenient, ensuring high-quality processing of each cabbage. In this video, you'll see how the Bale Bandit 200 makes hay harvesting a real spectacle in action. Notice how this machine skillfully binds hay bales right into the field like a farm superhero. See how agilely and quickly it gets the job done, making farmers' work a little easier and more fun. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder, with front control on the tractor. This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. Here's something you definitely haven't seen before: picking strawberries while lying down, and with neck support at that. Sounds like every gardener's dream, doesn't it? The Rohan 2 makes that dream a reality. Such an outstanding harvesting assistant can be used not only for strawberries, but also for asparagus, onions, and a host of other crops. It's also ideal for weeding work. With the Rohan 2, you can forget about endless grueling days in the sun. Now you can concentrate on your crops in comfort, avoiding back pain. This is what a real breakthrough in agricultural technology looks like. Meet the Grunner apple-picking trailer that knows how to pack both empty and full crates. It easily befriends your combine to pick all varieties of apples, making harvesting more automated and efficient. With its dual-level design and remote control, You can operate everything, from the picker to the rear axle, all from the comfort of your favorite chair. And if the size doesn't fit, no worries. Gruner allows you to customize the dimensions of your trailer to perfectly fit your unique needs. Isn't it beautiful? Behold, the true forest monster. Equipped with a powerful drive and a steel disc, it cuts through shrubs and trees up to 14 inches in diameter, turning them into mulch in seconds. Its belt drive ensures uninterrupted and efficient operation in harsh conditions. A floating irrigation pump redefines watering methods. Gently moving along canals, it delivers water to even the most remote areas, ensuring even moisture distribution and optimal crop growth. Farmall has taken harvesting to the next level. Smoothly rotating blades cleanly cut stalks while preserving their structure, and high maneuverability allows it to operate on the most challenging field terrain. Cleaning gravel roads with the Volvo EW is a straightforward and efficient process. The hydraulic manipulator and precise attachments easily clear shoulders, restoring a tidy road appearance in minimal time. The Allen Schwadlegger turns potato harvesting into a fast and flawless process. 4 rows of blades carefully unearth tubers, minimizing damage and increasing productivity with its high-speed operation. The Trio Track machine autonomously loads ingredients using a powerful bucket, then thoroughly mixes them in a massive drum and evenly distributes feed into troughs, saving time and ensuring a perfectly balanced diet. The Cleveland Trencher cuts trenches with surgical precision. Its powerful chain mechanism slices the soil up to 4 feet deep, simultaneously removing dirt and preparing the perfect path for laying utilities. The Husqvarna sweeper turns leaf cleanup into a breeze. Rotary brushes gently collect leaves into a container without damaging the lawn, and its maneuverability and ease of use make the job quick and enjoyable. The machine's full power is revealed when the 8-body semi-mounted plow begins loosening the compacted soil, bringing fresh, aerated layers to the surface. The spacing between bodies and optimal attack angle allow for clog-free operation, even on wet virgin land. The 1600-liter front tank works with a Lieb VT trailed sprayer, featuring booms of up to 39 meters and automation that keeps them just inches from the crop. The solution distribution is controlled with pinpoint accuracy through Boom Control Pro, not a drop wasted. This 800 horsepower tracked monster moves at 5.5 miles per hour through ripe wheat without slowing. Forget the steering wheel, a joystick controls it like a fighter jet. The rotor threshing system gently extracts grain at maximum efficiency, and the wide header cuts a swath as wide as 2 buses. The Automec Agavalator takes on all the heavy lifting, leaving workers with only one job, not to get in its way. This semi-automatic, electric-powered lifting-enabled unit maintains harvesting pace while saving workers' backs, because traditio demands respect. If you're looking for a way to simplify and speed up ditch maintenance, the dredger Hemos Heitzma is your best choice. Equipped with a special cutting part, this dredger performs double duty, replacing the mowing basket and side knife. It not only easily handles ditch edges, but also instantly distributes the excavated soil, creating ideal conditions for further field use. Watch how effectively and effortlessly the Hemos Heitzma transforms your territories, making each pass as productive as possible. Your new agricultural ally, the Terra Variant 435, is a true technical marvel with a 435 horsepower engine and a tank capacity of 4,238 gallons for manure application. Designed for skilled fertilization. This lightweight giant, weighing 36,817 pounds, is equipped with a unique fully rotating 3-point mechanism and advanced suspension, ensuring stability on slopes. With low fuel consumption and a hydrostatic drive for economy and smooth movement up to 4,374 yards per hour, as well as an intuitive Homer Smart Drive control system. This equipment provides the highest efficiency and precision, reducing soil impact with each use. Meet the Millstack PT 2010, your new main helper on the farm. This unique trailed stacker will help you collect and transport hay with ease and style. Ever dreamed of packing hay quickly and safely, like playing Tetris with bales? The Millstack PT 2010 will make this dream a reality. Such technology has the ability to stack bales with amazing precision, simplifying storage and transportation. Now you can spend more time managing your farm rather than struggling with hay. When real heroes are needed in the field, the New Holland T7.315 HT PLMI and Big Baler 1290 High Density step onto the stage. With 315 horsepower under the hood, the T7.315 HD not only handles the work, but dominates it. And with the intelligent PLMI control system, you can operate this giant with ease. The Big Baler 1290 HD creates perfect high-density bales, ensuring maximum space utilization and excellent hay quality. Think about how great it will be to see the neat, dense bales, fully ready for storage and transport. Such a powerful duo is the perfect solution for those who want to turn every day on the farm into a productive adventure. Harvest grass like a pro with the New Holland Ultra Feed on the FR Forage Cruiser. This grass picker is a true virtuoso in its field. With a working width of up to 12 feet and innovative tines, it ensures perfect capture and neat collection of every blade of grass. Forget missed spots and uneven collection. The Ultra Feed guarantees that every corner of your field will be processed with maximum efficiency. Hydraulic control allows for easy maneuvering even in the toughest conditions. With tandem laser buckets from Collier & Miller, your field will look like a parquet floor after a thorough cleaning. These mighty buckets level any unevenness with laser precision, turning your plot into an ideal growing platform. If you're tired of fighting with bumps and holes, this equipment will definitely become your best friend. With them, literally every minute of work brings pleasure, and the result impresses with its accuracy and quality. Are you ready for landscape perfectionism? If so, the buckets are waiting for their turn. Imagine the cotton cartage trailer from Collier & Miller Engineering, a trailer that turns cotton transportation into a real adventure. This Cotton Express is not only reliable and spacious, but also gives your harvest royal comfort. With it, each cotton bale will reach its destination like in a luxury carriage. No more transportation problems. Now, only joy and pleasure from work. If your farm needs a true mowing master, the Spearhead ProLine Multicut 650 is the perfect choice. With such a powerful mower, even the most unruly grass areas will be trimmed like on the best golf courses. A 21-foot cutting width allows processing large areas in record time, and powerful blades easily handle any vegetation. Working with this machine is pure pleasure, quick, clean, and effortless. With the new Multicut 650, your fields will always be in perfect order, and you'll be pleased with the result. Your berry plantation has never seen a pro like the Oscar 4WD Hascap. This self-propelled berry harvester is a true jackpot for any farmer. It doesn't just collect berries, it does so with such dexterity and speed that it seems like a wizard is at work. With its full drive and smart navigation, no difficult sections will be an obstacle. The Oscar 4WD Hascap carefully collects each berry without damaging it, leaving you with a rich and quality harvest. If weeds could be scared, they would tremble at the sight of the Gruner Stilt Cultivator. This unique weeding tool doesn't just work, it puts on a real show in your garden. It strides through your beds like a stylish stilt walker, destroying weeds with one swift move. Imagine yourself relaxing with lemonade while your new helper does all the hard work. Thunder rumbles, weeds disappear, and only well-maintained soil remains. With such a cultivator, weeds will be as easy as a walk in the park. Meet the Olimac Drago GT, a combine that will take on all the burdens of harvesting and straw collection. With the Drago GT, your field will look like a perfectly licked plate after a festive meal, not a crumb or a straw. With this versatile assistant, you can definitely become a multitasking master in the fields. And forget about additional passes for straw collection. The Drago GT does everything in one go. Is this what time and resource savings look like? Absolutely. Meet the Van Hook Combine, the perfect partner for those tired of crooked cuts and uneven cabbage harvesting. This compact wonder combine is so smart that its harvesting speed adjusts to the speed of your tractor, providing VIP treatment for each head of cabbage. No more ripped from the root stories, only perfectly straight cuts. And thanks to the wagon loader, all the harvest will be neatly packed as it's collected. Here's a twist. With Van Hook, your farm will turn into a real factory for producing perfect cabbage. When it comes to threshing grass seed, Lun and Handelsbedrijf knows no equal. Imagine the power of a John Deere 2266 Extra Combine that gets the job done with ease. With a Jade 820 cutter bar that's nearly 27 feet wide, this green monster handles even the largest fields with no problem. Its 255 horsepower engine and capacity of up to 20 tons per hour make it a true giant among combines. Every time it passes through a field, you can hear the seeds falling into the hopper like a harvest melody. When it comes to mowing natural grass, the Steer 8300 from Tunter Agricultural Services is an engineering marvel. This tractor handles large areas with ease thanks to its 20-foot working width and 320 horsepower. The state-of-the-art control system and ultra-sharp blades ensures that every bit of grass is cut perfectly. Imagine your lot transformed in minutes. Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmach planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches, for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? Meet the innovative 26-foot PowerChain 800 disc cultivator from Danish company Dalbo, your new best helper in the field. The unique diamond shape and 4 disc chains with 31 to 35 discs at a 40-degree angle guarantee a perfect cut across the entire working width. The hydraulic adjustment of the chains and the possibility to equip the discs with additional weights for depth correction make this machine incredibly flexible. And the 300 to 500 liter sowing unit allows you to combine tillage and sowing, all in one pass, with a power input of 200 horsepower. The PowerChain 800 opens up new horizons in efficiency and time saving for farmers. Are you interested in how the magic of modern agricultural technology packs 59 feet of efficiency into a compact format in seconds? Meet the Seraphin Ultiso S18, a 2021 single-disc planter that unfolds masterfully for transportation. Double folding this cool agro-innovative marvel transforms it from a 59-foot wide working machine to a transport-friendly format of just 19.6 feet. The video clearly demonstrates this process in rapid succession, but the impression of the transformation is lasting. Discover the groundbreaking Seraphin Ultiso S18 single-disc air seeder, revolutionizing the approach to seeding in 2021. This 59-foot no-till planter conserves maximum moisture while avoiding stubble burning. Features on the model include a sturdy frame and seating sections that can withstand rocky conditions. The Exapta Uniforce hydraulic press system ensures perfect seed placement, increasing seeding efficiency. This drill is suitable for a wide range of crops and provides high productivity with minimal crop losses. Envodan presents a revolution in weed control, the patented E-Therm system. This innovative technology represents a unique combination of efficiency and environmental friendliness, reducing gas consumption by an impressive 40%. Through clever optimization of the combustion process, the system maximizes heat energy, providing high-quality weeding at minimal cost. This approach not only increases productivity, but also significantly reduces carbon emissions, making your farming operation even more sustainable. Each of Envodan's agricultural models is designed with customers' wishes and requirements in mind, allowing them to be customized to meet the specific needs of different crops. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger Hit Tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 Hit HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the Hit HT tedders, small tractors can work large areas of land. Just look at the most perfect stone fruit picker: plum, cherry, olive, and hazelnut. It's designed as a standalone unit that is simply attached to the tractor using a PTO transmission and standard couplings. The weight of such a machine is 0.85 tons. During work, it rests on the ground, and during transportation, it's carried by an auxiliary wheel. The machine is operated by a minimum of 2 workers, a tractor driver and a fruit crate picker. And what's great is that through the use of this fruit picker, the degree of cleaning on each tree is more than 95%, with complete removal of impurities, leaves, branches, and other things. Furthermore, with it, you can smoothly change the amplitude and frequency right during the workflow. The 4-row Enduro Screening Combine from DeWolf has become one of the most important players in the self-propelled combine market. With a 2-section hopper providing a comfortable capacity of 9 tons, this machine claims to be the largest in its market segment. The combine also offers excellent traction, even in the most difficult conditions. Finally, the Enduro is the clearest and easiest machine to operate, and all thanks to its ergonomics and absolute ease of operation in the cab. The new Ortomec 8000 Green Line glides across fields, precisely slicing lettuce and gently laying it on the conveyor. Like a surgeon with a florist's touch. Sharp blades, smooth motion, automation right to the leaf tips. The Keeler Classic is a full-blown tractor-powered potato opera with dual vibrating tables, sorting belts, and ruthless precision. Not a single tuber missed, not a speck of dirt in the bin. The Crimean 2-row KMS from Barta Farm prunes grapevines with strict, precise cuts. Not a centimeter wasted, like a top-tier Bordeaux hairdresser. High speed, row synchronization, and gentle grips make it indispensable for vineyard preparation. The Vitasporum Auto reveals the behind-the-scenes magic of agriculture. In the video, you can see rotating blades gently digging around leeks, while mechanical arms carefully lift them onto the conveyor. Every movement is choreographed like a ballet. FSI isn't a spy agency. It's a tree shaker that does in 5 seconds what used to take a whole day. It grabs an apple, hazelnut, or pecan tree and shakes it until all the ripe fruit falls. Clean, powerful, and no nonsense. Oxbow is the armored truck of harvesters, up to 14-ton capacity, self-propelled base, and adjustable cleaning for all potato types. It charges across the field like it knows every tuber by name, not a wasted motion in sight. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.